Oh, there's geese. Geese are coming back. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. As always, we are thrilled to be here with another Ipsy unboxing. This is probably our favorite unboxing that we do a month. Ipsy is $12 a month. I can leave a link in the description box where you can sign up if you want. It is of course a monthly subscription. You fill out a profile of things that you would like to receive, and they try to send you sometimes full-size items, but mostly sample sizes to you for $12 a month. Okay.
Here's a brush.
So first we have a brush. Now I believe I did have a couple add-ons.
There's another brush. it's the exact same, but it's another brush.
A different brush maybe?
I think it's the same brush.
Oh, because I did not order the same brush. That's interesting. Well, first we'll take it out. This is a complex culture brush, and I know I ordered one. It was supposed to be like a eye brush. Yeah, precision eyelid. This is the add-on that I ordered. We were only supposed to receive one of these. So that is a mistake. Hopefully I get the other brush that was supposed to come. But these are nice brushes. They feel nice and luxe. And this is my first time getting a brush from them. So that's kind of cool.
You mean this brush?
Oh boy. Yes. This was the other brush that I was supposed to be receiving. This is a Luxie brush. This is the Luxie 640 Pro Precision Tapered Brush. And ooh, that is like a very soft, diffusing brush.
Ooh, I like it.
Like I could see it being very nice for a light blush. Ooh, that is a nice brush. That makes me super duper happy.
So this came outside of the bag too.
This was not in the bag either. Okay, we still haven't gotten to the bag yet. She's still just pulling things out of the pink wrapper here. So this is the other add-on I ordered. That's why it's not in the bag. This is the Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty, the Curl Friend, Totally to Die For, Defining Curl Cream. I got this for you. This is curl cream. Yeah, I know you're not actually that excited, but here, let's smell it and see if it smells good. Other stuff that I've gotten from Cake always smells super good.
Because it smells like cake.
It's always really sweet smelling.
It's unscented.
Really? No, it's not. It has a scent.
I can smell it.
Try moving it around in your hand. You can smell it. It does not smell nearly as sweet as some of their other products that I've received from them. This one kind of smells citrusy, actually.
Like a very sweet lemon.
Yeah, it's supposed to be frizz fighting, curl defining, and glossy silk styling. So we'll try this out on her. We'll see if it's good.
This is the bag.
Look how cute it is.
This has like little bumps on it.
Little dots.
Yeah, little dots.
Cute. And it's got, of course, a little zipper pull. Oh, and this is a special glam bag because on the back, it's for their 100th anniversary. So obviously not 100 years, but the 100th glam bag. And because it was their anniversary, we got 6 items this month instead of 5.
Yeah, there's lots of stuff.
Okay, so let's see the card first. This month it says giveaways for days. So it looks like Ipsy is doing a ton of giveaways this month for their anniversary. The theme this month for March 2020 is Celebrate You. And of course, this has all the information about the products on it. Okay, next we have the Honey Jarrett Clean Whip Cleanser. I'm not big on getting skincare actually, just because they send sometimes many things that have made me break out. Things that are for dry skin, things that have ingredients that aren't good for me. But I don't mind every once in a while getting like a cleanser or something. Let's just take a look at how that looks and how it smells. Ooh.
Let me smell it.
It is like, it's a white cream cleanser. Oh, it smells good. Okay, that smells like something I know. What is that?
It smells like a plant.
Yeah, it smells like a plant that we know.
Mama?
Hang on, I gotta think of it. Dandelion?
Yeah, dandelion.
So it looks like this is actually a Korean brand, which I'm always excited. And the fact that it smells like dandelion flowers, like, that is actually extremely pleasant.
Yeah, it's dandelion.
All right, I'm gonna grab something to wipe my hand off. I've got cleanser on my hand, and I'll be right back for the next item. Okay, what else do we have?
Lip balm.
Oh dear, we have a lip balm. Lip balms are always scary for me because of my peppermint allergy. This is one from Hanalei. This is the Kukui Lip Balm, Tropical Citrus. Okay, before I even break the seal on it, we're gonna look at the ingredients just in case I have to give this to a friend. So let's us see. Oh, I might be able to use it. I don't see any peppermint. All right, we can pop this open. Ooh, that's nice.
I feel like I smelled that and something else too.
Well, this guy's got like a blend of, typical things like lime and orange in it. But this is awesome. I'm looking forward to that. I'm excited to have one that I can use. Yay! All right, what else?
Cream.
So this is exciting. We got a tiny little sample of the Tatcha water cream. So Ipsy does give you the option of choosing one item in your bag and then they build up your items around it. I usually don't do that because I'm paranoid that it will throw off their algorithm and I'll get things I usually don't want. But I did choose this item just because when I saw it and I know that this is a very expensive little pot of cream. Let's try it out, Sakura. This is meant to go on your face, and I am drawn to it because it's a water cream, which means it's supposed to be very light.
I don't like the smell.
Whoa. Yeah, that's an interesting smell. Let's try out the texture, shall we? Ooh, it's like a gel.
It's very watery.
Yeah, it's very thin. Well, not watery, but it's very thin.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, it doesn't like build up like a big. Ooh, very thin. That is excellent. Yeah, I've been wanting to try it just because of my skin issues, so that's exciting. Even though it's a little pot, I could see how that would go a long way, so I'm really excited to try this. I mean, she's like totally not into it, but I'm excited to try this. All right, what else?
Primer.
A primer. So this is one, oh, it's from Tarte. This is the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer, and obviously this is just like a little sample, but primer takes me forever to go through, so this is one. Here, let's try this one on the back of our hand as well. Our hands will be extra hydrated. Ooh. It's like a little light green gel.
Let me smell.
You can't really smell anything.
Maybe try mixing it. Oh yeah, I smelled it.
Okay, so this is supposed to be a hydrating primer, which means to me that it's just a moisturizer. Tell me if I'm wrong, guys, but I think it's just a moisturizer.
Yeah, it smells weird.
I think it has a very light scent. It's not bad. And that disappeared quickly into my hand as well. So that's good that it wouldn't sit on top. All right, we got a primer.
So
what else do we have?
The last thing. So, Mom,
Yes.
I kind of want this.
Well, maybe I'll share it with you. What is it? Okay, so it comes in a little box like this. Sakura wants to open the box.
I like it.
Yeah, it's really cute. It comes with this little cardboard magnetized packaging. Oh, that's cute. This little single eyeshadow. And it's a really nice neutral shade. Shall we swatch it?
Yes, I want to swatch it.
Okay, you swatch first. I have one item from Naked Cosmetics, and it is a pigment, like an actual loose pigment. So I've never had a pressed eyeshadow from them before. Oh, that's pretty. It's shiny. Oh, I put it on the back of the hand that had all that primer on it, and yeah, look at there. Whoo! That is shiny. All right, that's exciting. And this is a color that I use all the time. I like getting a nice neutral shadow like that. And this is a cute little packaging for that. This was the shade Mother Nature. I'm kind of wearing this color already on my eyelids, but let's add a little bit more. My eyelids are pretty shiny already with what I had on. You know, with some more shine. Right, so that is awesome. So here are our 6 items, and then I had added on just one of these. Somehow we got sent 2. That's a bonus. And then of course I also ordered her this cake curl cream, and that is actually a really nice size. I enjoy that. So Ipsy actually finally started putting the prices of things on this. They didn't used to do that. So now we have Sakura's calculator. We're gonna add up the retail value of our bag. So first, let's do this nice Luxie Beauty. This is their Periwinkle Pro Precision Tapered Brush, and this is worth $24. Wow. It's a nice brush.
$4.
Next, this full-size Hanalei Company Kukui Lip Balm in Tropical Citrus is worth $6. This Honey Jarrett or Honey Jarret, I don't know, Clean Whip Cleanser. This is a deluxe sample. So the full size is worth $18. I'm gonna say this is a $5 sample. The Naked Cosmetics Mica Pigment in Mother Nature. This is a full-size eyeshadow and it's $14.99.
Whoa.
Wow. A single, it's worth $14.99. That's a nice shadow. And this Tatcha water cream. This is a deluxe sample. Oh my. The full-size version of this Tatcha is $68. Holy moly. So hang on, 50 mils is $68. And this is how many mils? This is 10 mils. So quick doing some math with a calculator here. That means that this is like a $13 sample.
$13.60.
And 60 cents, yeah. So that's a pretty hefty, nice sample there. So this Tarte Sequench Hydrating Primer, this is the deluxe sample. The full size is $32. The full size is 30 mils, and this looks like this is a little 10 mil sample. So by that would make this like a third of the price, which is $10. So this is like a $10 sample.
That's too much for a tiny little thing like that.
So let's quick add this up here and see what we get. Okay, after doing some math, I think we're at $72.99 for a $12 bag. And of course, that doesn't include my add-ons and this extra free add-on that somehow came in our bag. Wow, that is really good. That's awesome. All right, I'm pretty happy. And of course, that's not even counting the cost of this cute little bag, which we will totally use. That's adorable. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here with us as we unbox our Ipsy. If you have not done so, please like and subscribe. We would love it if you would do so, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, there's geese. Geese are coming back.